A new sneak just came out and what was showed in it is going to change the whole game to its core. So what's up legends, welcome back to another AOT revolution video. My name is Rath and today I'm going to talk about the sneak that just came out right now. Also there's a new code at the end of the video, so use that before it's gone. Other than that, let's get right into it. Usually I make a big video and updates covering a lot of sneaks and stuff, but this sneak that was showed right now needed its own separate video. This is the sneak right here, and from the looks of it, it is around the regiment update in update 4. But you may be asking, what's so special about it? First is how it was shown. Well, EK showed it. Yes, the top creator of the game himself came in the main chat of AOTR server, locked the main chat and showed the sneak, and once people saw it, he deleted it. The whole server went nuts, and once main chat was opened, anyone could type @everyone and @here, which pings everyone in the server. All 750,000 plus people were pinged. The main chat was crazy, and my PC wasn't able to cope with how many messages they were showing. Well, that was how this sneak came out. But what's so special about this sneak? Seems simple. There's the weekly quest and members list like normal. They are adding invites to invite more people and logs to see who came and went and other stuff. The most broken thing, there are upgrades. Why though? Well, before there was no point in being in a regiment except for a silly achievement. There was no point in getting the regiment honor. Top regiments like Kanji were forcing people like, you have to complete all 4 quests or we will kick you from the regiment. Well, there was no point. The members weren't getting anything. But that upgrade might mean members can get stuff from the regiment. Now this one is pure assumption. I don't say this is going to happen, but I'm talking a system that gives buffs for being in a regiment, like in some other games. If you have played any game with this kind of feature, like I used to play Arise Crossover, which is based on the anime Solo Leveling, it had guild system, which took gems from the users each day for staying in the guild. The gem amount was set by the guild owner as a requirement to join, and the owner would use those gems to buy guild buffs like extra shadow space, more damage and increased shadow attack range. Just imagine if this was added to AOTR, like you get 12.5% damage for being in the regiment, or more realistically plus 7.5% gold, XP and luck, which would help you get more serums faster, or up to 11 levels for perks instead of just 10. Everything goes higher for every time a new upgrade is done, and those upgrades are done by the regiment owner. As I said, this is just my assumptions and speculations, but if something like this is added, that would be insanely OP. That's why I'm thinking of making my own regiment before update 4 for y'all, as I'm sure it would be too difficult to get into a good regiment with good upgrades. And to get into my regiment, you need to be in my Discord server. And to be in my Discord server, I need to get 1,000 subscribers, since I will open my Discord server at 1,000 subs with some good giveaways too. Anyways, this is the latest code, use it before it's gone. It gives 150 spins and 3 blade burst crates. Nice. I might make a bigger video covering every sneak that we have so far, so watch out for that. Other than that, that's it for today's video. I hope you were as amazed by this sneak as I was. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for my new name and the regiment. Goodbye.